Good day everyone, this is your friend Jake, and in this tutorial video we will study how to create constructors in Java. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Constructors in Java. In Java, a constructor is a block of code similar to the method. It is called when an instance of the class is created at the time of calling constructor memory for the objects allocated in the memory. It is a special type of method in which we use to initialize the object. Every time an object is created using new keyword, at least one constructor is called. It calls a default constructor if there is no constructor available in the class. In such case, Java compiler provides a default constructor by default. It is called constructor because it constructs the values at the time of object creation. It is not necessary to write a constructor for a class. It is because Java compiler creates a default constructor if your class doesn't have. So we have the rules in creating Java constructor. There are three rules defined for the constructor. The first one, constructor name must be the same as its class name. A constructor must have no explicit return type. And then the third is constructor cannot be abstract, static, final, and synchronized. The material that I used in this tutorial is based on the javapoint.com java-constructor. So let us go to our sample program. So here I have created a sample program to create and call default constructor. Constructors are very important in object-oriented programming in Java. So we have here class car, creating a default constructor car. We don't have any parameters here, and then it will display a message, car has been created. Main method, public static void main, calling the default constructor car, and then we create an object, Suzuki new car, and then we close. When we compile, we don't have any error at all. When we close in our BlueJ, and then we will right click void main to execute. Okay, so we have here car has been created. Okay, let us go back. Has been created. Okay, compile, close, run. So the car has been created. That's the output. Close. So this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create a constructor in Java. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial video. I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete source code. Thank you very much for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.